Today I want to feature a look from a woman who never fails to inspire the Holla Mom. This is a take on her signature look. Let's get into it. We are using a cranberry scarf from Rapunzel, and I have on the mini bobo. Holla Mom usually uses a bigger bobo. I believe she uses the standard size from Rapunzel. Then I'm going to lift it up in the back and create a pleat here. Of course, this is not exactly how she does hers. I'm going to crisscross in the back. My right side is going to be shorter than my left. I'm going to fold in my edges, fold this up at an angle, and you can fold your long end however you like. It's also going to be folded up at an angle. We'll firmly take it around the back, pull it through our pocket, and then we have our little veil piece. That's it. Here's the side, the other side, and the back. Hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like and follow if you did, and go check out Holla Mom. See you soon.